Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I am DevOps and Cloud Trainer. So thank you for attending the today's demo. So today we discussed about what is DevOps, why DevOps, what is automation, so who can learn DevOps and Cloud, so what are the things available, so what are the job opportunities, right? Yeah, so tomorrow we are going to have one more demo which is cloud interaction. So in cloud, so what is cloud, why the project teams are looking for cloud, so why the project teams are migrating their infrastructure to cloud, so what are the things available, we'll try to understand. So continuous to today's session, tomorrow we have important demo, so make sure everyone should attend the demo. Yeah, so that would be very helpful to you. Yeah, so don't miss the session tomorrow. Yeah, so tomorrow end of the session I give you some tips and tricks, right, which are very important. So make sure everyone should attend the tomorrow's demo. So see you in the tomorrow's demo. Thank you.